Where's your food? Where is it? It's in that thing? That's toilet paper. Can you show me again? I'm not sure I understood. Oh, that. Okay. There we go. Stop that guy so you can eat in peace. And this is a bin full of printer poop.
Is here promoting her new memoir, which talks about having the courage to take chances. What Lori doesn't know is that moments before this picture was taken, Ina recorded a special message just for her.
Hi, Laura. I understand you're a fan, which is really sweet. But I understand you took a lot of chances.
What is this shit on TV?
To become a legal analyst on TV, and you never know where it leads to. That's such a wonderful thing. It could be the making of your career.
That sounds like the intro to Maze.
Career. That I'll mention is the way the media has covered this story, because of course most legacy media is owned by massive corporations, and so their top concern is the economy. And if this strike went on longer, it would have had an impact on the economy, negative impact on the economy. And so what they did is, instead of focusing on the needs and concerns of the workers, the port workers who are a huge part of keeping this economy going, they decided to really focus in